In this video, I am going to discuss electronic and molecular geometry of NO2-. NO2- is known as nitrite radical. To draw the molecular and the electronic geometry of NO2-, first we have to draw the Lewis dot structure. Now here nitrogen has 5 valence electron and oxygen has 6 valence electrons. Now here we can see it is NO2-, so that means one oxygen atom has accepted one electron and that's why it become O-. Now nitrogen will be sharing one electron with O- and it forms a single bond, and it will share 2 electrons with the second oxygen atom and form double bond. So the molecular structure will be where nitrogen is single bonded with O- and double bonded with the another oxygen atom. So now this nitrogen has one single bond with oxygen atom and one double bond with the another oxygen atom. So that means there are 2 single bond and one lone pair. So that means this nitrogen is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized means the molecular geometry should be trigonal planar and the bond angle between the atoms should be 120 degree. But since this nitrogen contains one lone pair, so that's why the molecular geometry is not equal to electronic geometry. So here molecular geometry will be trigonal pyramidal. And since one lone pair is present, so due to lone pair bond pair repulsion, the bond angle will be less than 120 degree.